Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So in this video, let's talk about Litecoin. Currently it's trading at around 25.72, and today it's up about 10%, and we are seeing a relatively positive market today. On average, everything is up around a couple of percent, but on one thing that is striking is Litecoin. Litecoin is up about 10%, and a lot of has to do with the short squeeze, I believe, in Litecoin. There are a lot of people who are trying to short Litecoin, and it's one of those coins. I have said it previously that it tend to bounce pretty nicely when it's coming out of short squeeze. We have been sitting in this downward channel in the since early November, and if I draw this trend line from this early November, we are barely, it just got over that trend line earlier today. Now we are coming up against resistance in Litecoin, so we need to be a little bit careful. Especially when we are in a downtrend. So right now I do want to emphasize that we are still in a downtrend, so we need to make sure that we are treating this market like as is. It's not a bull market. It is a bear market right now, and we need to make sure that we are treating it as a bear market. So the one thing that I would like to do, especially when I'm in the bear market, is do a quick trades rather than holding on to for longer term. It might be a good strategy, and it really needs a lot of practicing and getting comfortable doing the trading more often. So it's really up to individuals' comfort level on well, first of all, if they have time doing the trading, or if they have how comfortable they are doing the trading. So the best thing you can do is either go with very small positions, or you can trade with paper money. What do I mean by paper money? Is so if you come to Trading View website, you can actually do some paper trading with that. Basically, it's you can get in and out of the position. Let's say if you want to get into Litecoin at 25.74, you can do your paper trading with that. So it's really up to you how comfortable you are with your trades, and that will really happen if you do enough trades or enough trading. So either you can go with the smaller trades, or you can do some paper trading and get comfortable making trades. But for right now, we are still we're still in a downtrend. We are trying to make some bounce. The volume was pretty good in Litecoin today, but we need to have some follow through. We need to make sure that we have some solid follow through in Litecoin, and actually can get through some initial resistance, which is going to be around 27.74, and then again around $35-36. Okay, so the first resistance level for Litecoin is going to be around 27.28, and then the second resistance level is going to be around 36.37 for Litecoin. All right. In this market, again, I have said it plenty of times before, if you get a chance to take some profit, please do secure some of the profits, because you don't want to go in a sense that you got into Litecoin at the bottom around $22-23. You are you see Litecoin going up to $30, but you're not taking any profit, and guess what, next thing you know that it's coming back or retracing, and then the retracement turns into a sell-off due to external event or due to market condition, and that have happened plenty of times before. So one thing that I would really recommend is taking some profit, making sure you're using your stop losses, so that way you're just securing your positions, and you're securing your profit, and you're not giving it back to the market. That's very important, especially when you're in downtrend. So do remember those things, and you need to have really you need to have really strong skin to navigate this market. It's not for faint at heart. Especially if you don't do a proper risk management, and if you don't do proper trading, it will be very tough to navigate this kind of market, because it will whatever you do, or if you get in, let's say if you get into Litecoin right now, and if it doesn't go in your favor, it can easily sell off. So there is a lot of things that you can do, you can either put your stop losses, you can take small profit in intervals, or have certain amount of position keep on going. So there's a lot of things that you can do, but that's again very individual things that people can do. The bigger picture that I try to provide here on this channel, because I cannot physically come over and start making your trades, and I'm not that's not what I'm here for. What I really want to do is guide you or educate you in a way that you can make your own trade, rather than relying on someone like me, or who are because it's better to know your financials rather than relying on someone else. Okay, so do keep that in mind. So just to recap, for intermediate, I'm seeing some resistance for Litecoin around 27, 28, and then again, if we can clear that, then we can have the second level of resistance going to be around 37, 36, 37 level in Litecoin. Bitcoin, I'm looking at Bitcoin right now. It's not doing much. This is going to have a short squeeze fairly soon, but right now, again, we are in a it's trying. If you look at those moving average lines, they are trying to turn, so I'm expecting some sort of bounce, but let's see if we have some follow through and if we have some volume to get some confirmation. All right, so that's all on Litecoin. This again is one of the coins that I have used in plenty of time in the past for trading purposes, and that's what I have been doing for Litecoin, and I will be making, if I get to my first target and second target, I will be loading it off and taking some profits. All right, that's all, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, post it in the comment, and I will talk to you soon.